During laser soldering and marking processes, a large amount of visible fumes are generated. It clouds the lens, blurs the precision, and silently harms the people behind the process. Pure air can capture smoke at its source. Every machine we build carries the strength of 14 years of experience, refined through continuous testing and relentless pursuit of perfection. From R&D and production to assembly, inspection, and global delivery, every detail reflects our commitment to quality. And when each unit leaves our factory, it carries one mission: to make every laser workshop cleaner, safer. Clean air should never be a luxury. Pure air protecting every breath that drives manufacturing forward.